Alright, so we got a package here from Amazon. It's our magnet fishing kit. There's another box. Here's the people that we got it from. It is a 625-pound double-sided fishing magnet. The kit that I got is all yellow. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. That's the rope. And then I need a pair of yellow gloves. They're kind of small, so they'll probably fit in my hand. Tape. Yellow tape. Oh wow, that's a hefty magnet. Right. Okay, well those are magnetic. Has the logo on it. Depending on how this magnet turns out, I might end up getting more from this company. I have to put Loctite on it and wait about 24 hours for it to dry. I'll show you guys the Loctite in a second. Put the battery back in the bag so nothing magnetic sticks to the ground wise. Then they send you a sticker, which I'm definitely going to put up on my wall. It's muscle magnets, strong, durable, tough. The back of it has either Japanese writing or Chinese writing, I can't tell. Loctite thing. Okay. Also by Muscle Magnet. Tread locker, 242. Let me get it better. And then this says, "Thank you for your purchase. We strive to deliver top-notch service." And on the backs, it has a sign up now for scanning. Alright. Everything that was in the box. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment down below what you think about magnet fishing, and we'll see you guys in the next